Tonight we're going to practice converting customary measurements just like we did in class today. Make sure you have a pencil, a piece of paper because you're going to work these problems with me, and your math chart. Pause the video if you need to get them. Get them now. All right. Now that you have everything that you need, we're going to look at this problem. And it says 20 quarts, so that's a Q, is equal to how many grams? So I know the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to make a T-chart. So I'm going to make my T-chart. I hope you're making this with me. There it is. Let's look. What are my two units that I'm looking at today? I've got Matthew and Jaden here. Do y'all know the two units we're changing?
Quarts and gallons.
We have quarts, so I'm going to put quarts over here, and gallons. So let's go ahead and look at our math chart. Find quarts and gallons. Anybody know how many quarts are in a gallon? What does it say?
4.
4 quarts. So I'm going to put a 4 with the quarts are equal to 1 gallon. So if I had, I'm just going to work backwards, 2 gallons, how many quarts would that be?
8.
If I had 3 gallons,
12.
that would be, Do we really need to take the quarts all the way down to 20? No. What's our relationship here?
Times 4.
If we're looking at it backwards, but if we're looking at it going this way, from 4 to 1, 8 to 2,
Divided by
12 to 3, very good. That is right. This time we're going to divide by what?
4.
4, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. This is dividing by 4. This is dividing by 4. So if I want to know how many grams are in 20 quarts, where am I going to put the 20? Jaden, that's 20 quarts. Where should I put that?
There.
With the quarts, because it says 20 quarts. So what am I going to do to figure out how many grams?
You divide
this number right here. What did I do every other time?
Divide it.
So what should I do now?
Divide it.
You got it. I'm going to divide by 4. 20 divided by 4 is... Oh, gotta know those math facts.
What?
I hope you remembered your math facts.
Stop. Just delete it. Duh.
What are you talking about? The answer is 5. 20 quarts is 5 grams. Let's try another one. Remember, this should be on your paper. All right, go ahead and write this problem. That's a T. 3 tons equals how many pounds? What are we going to do first?
T-chart.
T-chart. What goes on my T-chart? All right, so I'm going to put a T over here for ton.
And libs.
Yes, it looks like libs, doesn't it? But that's actually the abbreviation for pounds. Even though pounds starts with a P, it's kind of funny, but it is. And we'll talk about that tomorrow. Maybe one of you out there could find out why we abbreviate pounds, LBS. Anyway, that is the abbreviation. So go ahead and look on your math chart and find the relationship on your math chart. When you see that, what is the relationship there? What do you see?
That 2,000 pounds. 2,000 pounds in 1 ton.
Wow, that's a lot. A ton is a lot of weight. So where should I put 2,000?
Over on the pound side.
Very good with the pounds. And 2,000 pounds is just 1 ton. So 2 tons would be how much?
4,000. And then 6,000.
3 tons, and that's our
6,000.
answer. Very good. What's the relationship there? Remember the relationship? It's multiplication.
Times 2,000.
Times 2,000. Wow, now we're multiplying by 2,000. Make sure you show your relationship. There we go. All the way down. Put our answer in here. All right, we're going to try one more, and then I'm going to give you some to do on your own. Oh, you're going to love it. Now, we've got 16 cups, and we're changing those to quarts. Quarts. So, of course, our very first thing, we make our handy-dandy T-chart. What's going to be our titles here?
Cups and quarts.
Cups and quarts. Very good.
Quarts like a mineral.
That is, yes, that is a mineral, but this kind of quart is the quart that you... Okay, stop. I'm having some technical difficulty with my help. All right. Now, what we're going to do, find cups and quarts on your math chart. You find it? What does the relationship say about cups and quarts? It's not on there. So go to Super G. What does Super G tell you about cups and quarts? Somebody tell me, how many cups are in a quart?
How many cups are in
Yep. One of the cues. 4. 4 cups is 1 quart. All right, so I can continue. 2 quarts, 8 cups, 3 quarts would be
12.
12. Okay, and now I know, all right, well, I'm looking for 16, so I've got to find what my relationship is going across. Obviously, my numbers are getting smaller if I'm looking at it this way. So am I going to multiply or divide?
You're going to divide.
That's going to be division. What would I divide 4 by to get 1?
4.
See, when you start with the 1, it always makes it easy. What am I going to divide 8 by to get 2?
4.
So each time I'm dividing by 4, so what should I do here?
Divide it by 4.
16 divided by 4 is?
4.
4. 16 cups is 4 quarts. What else is 4 quarts? 4 quarts is also I heard somebody say it. There it is. Gallon. That's right. All right, here's what I want you to try tonight on your own. Make sure you have your math chart. We have 14 pints. Change those to quarts. I want to see those T-charts, guys. Number 2, 12,000. Remember, LB is pounds. Change those to tons.
I bet someone didn't bring their paper.
Number 3, 40 inches. And you're going to change those to feet and inches. I know I didn't make a mistake there. I bet you guys can figure out why number 3 has feet and inches in the answer. Do your best, show your work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Bye.